Water is one of the most basic human needs. Throughout your life, you learn about the importance of staying hydrated and how it can lead to cramps. This will obviously reduce your physical abilities and extremely uncomfortable, right? It really does not seem so bad when you compare it to the 3.4 million people who die each year because of water-related diseases. That is almost the entire city of Los Angeles being wiped out yearly because they do not have access to clean, sanitized water. And here you are, halfway around the world, leaving your tap on while you brush your teeth.
Do you think that it is right that many people have to suffer for something that you take and don't even think about? Millions of people right now are suffering from illnesses that you've probably never even heard of. And if you are sitting there thinking that for 1 second this is far away and doesn't exist, then you are wrong. These kind of problems you see here exist even in the country you are now, in China. Not only are these close, but they are also far and all over the world. Seeing all this dirty water may disgust you, and it sure disgusted me. I bet you never would want to drink that, but millions of people around the world are forced to drink that. They have no choice and drink that or die.
Water is the most abundant compound on Earth, covering about 70% of the planet. So why is it that 345 million people in the continent of Africa alone do not have access to it? This may not affect you directly, for only 10 million people in all developed countries combined suffer from this issue. But is that morally correct? You have clean hot water, which you use to shower for 20 minutes every day, while over 2.5 times more people lack water than live in the United States. In fact, an American taking a 5-minute shower uses more water than the average person in a developing country slum uses for an entire day. More people have mobile phones than a toilet. Too many people around the world have no water to drink, clean themselves with, and even correctly dispose of their excreta. How is it that we have allowed 1/9 of the global population to lack access to an improved water source? These facts speak a lot about what it means to be a human and the duties we must embrace for others. As you can see on the following map, there is a large portion of the world that less than 50% of the population lacks access to sanitized water, and this is mostly in developing nations.
The right to water is a human right, meaning for all humans, not just the ones that have the most money or the people in upper class in society. Deep down inside, no matter how far, you know that you don't want all these people to suffer, and the solution is simple. There are many organizations dealing with this problem, some major and some minor. They can always use more help, either by actual service or just by donations. So take that brown crap out of their hands that they have to call water and put in something clean. You know what's better for everyone. And there are people in the world that need your help.